Are you looking for a way to secure sensitive information in Kubernetes? Kubernetes Secret YAML is the perfect solution for you. Let's dive in and explore. Kubernetes Secret YAML is a declarative configuration file that helps you manage sensitive information like passwords, API keys, or tokens securely. This allows your applications to integrate seamlessly without exposing sensitive data. With Kubernetes Secret YAML, you can secure your data using encryption and role-based access control, manage data centrally, making it convenient for large-scale systems, integrate easily into pods through environment variables or volumes. Want to learn more? Visit the detailed guide at devopsroles.com. There you'll discover every aspect of Kubernetes Secret YAML to confidently implement it in real-world scenarios. Secure your data, elevate your system.